So ayan guys, I am currently here at Shell and I bought the Shell battery water 1000 ml kasi last time when I visited all batteries na overwhelmed kami and nakalimutan namin na i-top up yung battery. So susubukan natin na i-top up using this and we'll see kung meron bang pagbabago. So ito siya guys, just like what I said before na red na yung nakikita natin. So ito siya, consult to service. Since nakalimutan, let's do it. So ito yung tubig. Ito siya, i-open natin. So make sure na walang dumi. Lagyan natin ng tubig. Tama lang, I don't know kung tama ba itong ginagawa ko. Pero parang marami-rami na yung nalagay ko Malayo pa. Okay, sakto lang muna yan. Check na muna natin. So okay, lalagay natin to. Ayan. Check natin guys kung may effect ba. Yun. Uy, wala na yung red, pero parang kulang pa. Dagdagan natin. So guys, pinuno na natin. Subukan natin. Uy, umaapaw. Alright, sara natin guys. Since subject for replacement na to, parang confident na ako. Alright, so yan, blue na siya. Sige, subukan natin i-start kung gagana pa ba tong ginawa ko. Eto guys, magkakaalaman na. Sana di ko nasira yung battery. Sana mag-on. Yun. Okay, goods naman. So ayan, just an update na top up ko na yung battery water. So I hope na it will make my battery last longer. But anyways, 33% na yung battery health. So kailangan ko na siyang paghandaan. Maybe in few weeks or in few months. But no worries. All batteries is always there. Pwedeng tawagan 24/7 para may rescue. Basta within the city, no problem. Good thing na nalaman ko siya para mapaghandaan naman. So ayan, thank you for watching. It's your Ingenieron Chuper. God bless, stay safe, drive safe.